I'm sure you've seen them in stores, online. So people have been telling me about it, that you can actually taste, I would say beer, but you can taste similar to that on your meat. So I'm gonna give it a try. Got me a bag right here with the Lite Beercoals. So let's try it out. Let's test it out. I'm gonna be grilling some chicken legs and some leg style ribs. So yeah, got the char griller kettle right here. So it's gonna be a good one, right? So at the end we'll see if it is legit. Am I gonna be grilling in the rain? We're getting thunderstorms. If so, we'll continue on. All right. So I don't want to wait until everything got hashed over. You know, it's gonna just burn up the charcoal a lot quicker, especially when it comes to Kingsford. So I just dumped it in like this. I'm gonna smooth it out and then put the cooking grates on, and then we'll get to grilling. All right, how does that look? Starting to sprinkle a bit. It's getting more thundering now, but let's get these legs on. We got cooking to do. Oh yeah. Now ain't that beauty right there. Alright, so just to let it grill. Yeah. So I'll bring you back. Well, alright, well, it's gotten windier. And I just flipped the legs. But yeah, I don't know if it's gonna rain, but thunder's getting louder. So we'll see, but hey, I think the char griller's up to the task, right? Grill in the rain if it happens. Alright, let's check them out. Yeah. Yep. And I'm hungry already. I went in Flanking style ribs. They're ready to come on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just give them another flip. So you can see that flipping action right there. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put those flanking style ribs on. There's the flaking style rib. All right. So what do you think about that? Ah, yes. I wish I could just eat it right now. Oh, this is gonna be good. All right, so let's continue on and let's get to that finish line. So I'm talking about grilling. Just grill. Man, can't beat that. You just can't. Well, all right, it's done. I'm gonna take them off, let it cool down for a bit, and then I'm gonna taste it. Let's see if I get drunk off this meat. But yeah, I'll take it off and let it rest. But it was a fun cook, and yeah, it's just passed us by. Really, no rain, just thundering. But yeah, so let me take it off and then finish this up. That was a blast. Now it's starting to sprinkle. I don't know if it's come down on me, but it was a blast. Grilled chicken legs, grilled Frank style ribs, and they smell so good. So this was all the test to see, to taste if, hey, it's legit, right? So let's see. I don't taste anything. I don't taste, I just taste chicken, beef, seasonings. I don't know, maybe that was the issue, maybe it was seasonings, but oh man. So good. Man. Either way, I'm gonna eat and it's gonna be delicious. Right? So hey, I tried it. But yeah. So as it starts to come down on me a little more in the rain, it's time to just end it. I had my fun, right? But hey, go out and grill. Whatever it is, just go out and grill, alright? So, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Smoke on, everyone.